Before 2021, that would be a different answer. Right now, in 2021, we have a new diversion law, which I'm going to tell you is an absolute fantastic way to avoid being convicted of a DUI. You can get diverted out of the criminal system on a first offense in Marin County now, and even potentially on some second offenses. But this is something that's brand new, and the law may change at some point. But right now, the answer is absolutely. It's worth trying to win your case. What we do, the first thing we do is see if there's a way to actually win the criminal case, to see if the DA's office, the district attorney in Marin County, can meet their burden, which basically means, can they prove the elements of the offense? Can they prove that you were the driver and at the time of driving you were either at or over a 0.08 blood alcohol level, or impaired by drugs or alcohol. So those are typically the issues, and we investigate by getting records on with video and audio and of the driving and of contact with the cops and admonitions that are given by the officers, seeing if they're done right, and then getting records on breath testing and blood testing, looking at chain of custody on blood testing. With the breath testing, looking at the accuracy, maintenance logs, calibration records. There's all sorts of things that we can look at to try and win these cases. And the whole process we go through is a DUI diversion, which is new legislation in California. Just this year, 2021, it came out. And not all counties, probably less than half the counties in the state of California, are agreeing that people are eligible for a diversion if they have a DUI. Marin County is currently one of those. And I would say that if you get a DUI in Marin County this year, and if we can get a diversion motion heard quick enough, that's a very good thing, because you are very likely to be able to avoid a DUI conviction. So absolutely, yes, it is worth hiring a lawyer who knows what they're doing, who knows how to fight these cases and knows how the diversion process works, to get a diversion motion filed to try and avoid a permanent criminal conviction. And you would still have penalties like you would if you got convicted of a DUI, but you would save thousands of dollars. You would not have a criminal conviction, which is amazing for work and so many different types of areas in your life and your future. It's night and day having a conviction, not having a conviction. So you really, really want to get a lawyer who can try and get to this diversion, which would mean, okay, do a DUI school, do some community service, there's some AA, things like that, and be diverted out of the criminal system after a couple of years. You would not have a criminal conviction. So yes, get a lawyer. It's more important now than ever to get a lawyer when you've been arrested for a DUI or drunk driving in Marin County.